Hi ladies, welcome to my channel. My name is Yasser and today I'm showing you my very quick lazy girl everyday makeup tutorial. I'm very lazy with my makeup. So I'm just going to show you just a little tip that I found that makes the process so much easier. So I usually mix my foundation and my moisturizer together. I really don't do a lot of things for my skin. I could definitely do more work harder and my skin will probably look even much better, but I don't, and I don't want to come here and pretend that I do. So I just mix my foundation and my moisturizer, and I basically make a tinted moisturizer. I did try to buy a tinted moisturizer before and I couldn't find any in my skin shade, and I wasted a lot of money trying to find one. So I was just like, you know what, I will just create my own by mixing my foundation with my moisturizer. Now my foundation is really cheap. I'm using Maybelline foundation. This is the 24-hour stay one. I like this one, and I like the matte-less, I think matte poreless one. I like those two, and they're usually really cheap. They're very affordable. They're like between $8 and $10 Canadian, so in American dollars, even cheaper than that. So I really don't feel like I'm wasting it when I apply it. The only problem is that after applying it, your hands are messy. So make sure you wash your hands if you try this. Make sure you wash your hands after you apply it on your face. Otherwise, all your clothes will be full of foundation, because I've done that before. And then after that, I just basically, I call it setting my face. I just set it with any powder, like a setting powder or like a bronzer if I want to. And I just set everything, and then if you want to stop, you can stop at this point. I like to make sure that I do my eyebrows too, just because I feel like eyebrows frame your face. So if your eyebrows look okay, your face looks okay. So that's why I do my eyebrows too. Now I'm just doing this because I know there are a lot of other lazy girls out there like me who don't want to spend a lot of time doing makeup. So I thought this would be a nice cute alternative. And like I always say, by the way, if you're new here, you know that I really basically upload my videos because I want to motivate someone today to get up and do something nice for themselves. And I found that if you look good, you're more likely to do something good for yourself. So if you look good, you feel good, you do something good for yourself, like the energy just continue going around and around, and you basically a continuation of you feeling good over and over again. If you're feeling sad and depressed, girl, get up and just try this. Try this and just see how you're going to feel. And then after that, if you have nothing to do, call a girlfriend, have a glass of wine, water, I don't know, anything. Do something exciting. I'm actually laying on the couch right now, by the way. Happy Valentine's if you're celebrating. If you're not, then I don't know, happy Sunday. But I'm going to hang out with some girlfriends, and we're going to have a nice little party. So I'm cooking a little bit, and some of the girlfriends are also cooking. So I'm looking forward to that. So after that, you can add, basically all the things that I'm doing are seriously optional. You can add blush if you want to. You can add a highlighter if you want to. You can line your eyes if you want to. And you can add mascara if you want to. Now, if you're just starting out, I would say do the foundation part with the moisturizer. And then do your eyebrows. Come on, you can do it. Do your eyebrows, do your mascara, and then put on lip gloss or lipstick. That works perfectly. I mean, I normally do that, but I feel like just because I was doing the video, I was like, you know what, let's just do a little extra step and do the eyeliner. I like adding a little bit of blush just because I feel like my face looks flat after I add foundation to it. That's the reason I add blush. If you don't want to, then don't add it. Ladies, you don't have to do all these steps that I'm doing. Just try one thing if you want. One thing. I'm going to leave all the products that I'm using linked down below, so if you want to check them out, then definitely find them in the description section down below. This is my favorite lipstick. Actually, I think it's a lip stain from Sephora. I love red. If you're not new here, you already know how much I love it. But this is all just to say, ladies, like, it's so easy to look nice. It's so easy to do something for yourself. Now, I know a lot of you have so many other responsibilities that I do not have. But I'll tell you, if you forget to take care of yourself, everything else that you're doing, y'all, you're not going to be doing it with the best of your ability or in the best ways if you're not taking care of yourself. So Happy Valentine's Day. And for me, really, I hope you're really just celebrating yourself and being awesome to yourself, and that you're taking a little bit of time to yourself and doing something that actually makes you feel good. I know doing makeup, getting dressed, doing your hair is something that people usually forget to do or they look down on, but y'all, it makes a lot of a difference. When you do something for yourself, like the energy, the feeling good goes all around and affects other different areas of your life. But anyways, happy Valentine's. I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you on Wednesday. Bye, ladies.